So we are getting really close to our parade home. We're about, I would say, 10 minutes away, and we are kind of on the outskirts of Colorado Springs right now, heading to the home. And Lauren has put together a really great design for this home. We're really wanting to, help create a really nice and cozy setting in this Colorado Springs getaway.
You guys around first and kind of map out the scene. Oh yeah, I figure we'll show the guys where everything's going. I'll show you which one we got. So this is our basement here, this configuration as you get it.
So right now we are unloading all of the accessories that we brought. We brought about, let's say, 5 or 6 bins. So we've got a ton of great stuff, and it's kind of the first part of diving right into everything and getting ready to place everything.
We have black chairs with the seats that are really this color. It's gonna be really cool. So if we want on here, so we can see whether we want the more pottery look, or we can do the clear glass because I have 2 of them too, so they can have their little buddies. We're making progress here at the install of our parade home. We're getting a lot of the pieces in here, rugs and foundation pieces. Art's starting to get in the right room, nothing hung yet, but it's really exciting. We're starting to see it come together. So this is our office, getting a few things in here. This is where we are with our great room and kitchen area. It's really starting to come, our rugs in, our sofa and chairs. You can kind of start to see elements of fixtures and all the colors as they're coming in and tying. We've got our little brass elements here on the chairs, on the lamps. We've got our window treatments going up here. So we've got 2 on these far corners right here, and then we're also going to be mounting 2 more on these insides. So that's starting to come together. Excited about that. And then our kitchen area, you can see all of our accessories starting to come out. So it's coming together really well. We're really excited.
So as you can see here, we've got all of our wonderful accessories here that Lauren has picked out. We're really keeping true with the blue theme that we've got going on, bringing in some natural tones, some really nice brass and gold as well. Eucalyptus because it's not as bright, you know what I mean?
Right, and maybe not as many.
Just like 1 or 2.
We're wrapping up our first day of install here at our parade home, and we're really getting there. Lots of things are coming together. Still a lot of building left to do and install for tomorrow, but I'm really excited for where we are. So as you can see, the master, all the main pieces are in here. We've got our bed, our nightstands, working on getting things dialed in the bathroom here. Really excited for how this great room and dining area is turning out at the end of this first day. So you can see all the main pieces are in here, our rug, our sofa, our chairs. We even had time to accessorize some of the shelves. Our window treatments look unbelievable. And here's our kitchen area here. We still have accessories and artwork out, but it's looking really good.